coming home? Hey! Rose! How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine too. You look good. Thank you.
The way you're adding weight, you need to watch it because you may be scaring sitters away from you.
Who is talking sitters? I'm not ready for sitters yet until you and Kennedy send me to Europe.
What is that? Well, that's not a problem. We'll definitely send you. You have to come out from university with good grades.
You both should get ready in that case because I have less than a year to go.
Oh, no problem.
But that is not a problem. Your brothers, they love you so much. You're the only sister and they are ready to make you happy. And am I right?
You're damn right, baby.
Okay, let me go and cook. You know Sylvia is very busy.
Yeah, please, when you finish cooking, I would like to get a portion. You know, your food reminds me of a little more.
Oh. For that, I'm going to get you the good pot if it makes you happy.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. I'll see you later. Daisy!
What's that face for? Oh, come on, darling. I was just trying to patronize my sister, you know. You remain the best cook.
Are you washing the car?
One of the fine Nigerian questions.
Oh, don't mind me. Just that I've never seen a woman wash a car. So did Kennedy ask you to wash the car?
Nobody asked me to wash the car. I'm just doing it to while away time.
And you don't think it's a man thing?
No. I'm actually enjoying it.
I'll be going to the supermarket very soon. Would you mind joining me?
Oh, I would love to, but Kennedy said he's taking me out later in the day. Maybe some other time.
Oh, so it's okay. Finish well, oh.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, how are you coping with that girl, Rose?
That girl is something else. She relieved me of all the house chores. In fact, I don't even know. She doesn't get tired. Seriously.
Are you sure she is not pretending?
Call it pretense, so. I service, so. I don't mind. As long as it's affecting me positively. I don't mind at all.
Me? I mind though. That is why she doesn't come to my house. Yes. Because she knows that I know all her mischiefs and pranks.
Anyway, how's that doing? Hi, Daisy. I hope she has lost anything.
She's fine though. She even went to school today. I have a lot to buy for the next semester. I don't even know how to start telling my brothers.
Rose, you worry too much. They are your brothers and you are their responsibility. You should be able to tell these people whatever you need.
I know, but times are really hard.
When are you going back to school?
In 2 months.
Okay, let's do it this way. I'll give you whatever I am able to save every weekend. Then you buy whatever you can with them. When you're ready to go back to school, your brothers will sort out the rest.
Oh, thank you very much, my life.
You're welcome.
You're really a blessing to our family. I'm so glad my brother married you. Thank you. I'm really grateful.
You're such a darling and you know it.
You're sweetest darling.
Oh. How are you?
Don't go and spoil her too much. You see she's getting fat.
No.
You take care of yourself. Alright, bye.
Is Rose going back to school already?
How can Rose go back to school without telling you and your husband? Oh, no. She only went out with her husband.
Oh, why didn't you join them?
You know how close those two are now, so since Rose is around, I decided to allow them to use them.
Oh, okay, I understand now. So you will stay in the house and wait for them to come back?
Oh, I do. I think they have something important to discuss. I'll stay.
Okay. Stay. I thought she was going back, that's why I came.
And no. I'm just going to have fun. That's all.
It's good.
Alright, see you later. Okay.
Brother, this is the list.
Rose, this list that took you almost 2 hours to write, I hope it's affordable.
Brother. It was not the list I was writing, I was on a call actually, that's why I took time.
Rose, 650,000 naira. For what?
Brother, for everything in the list, including my school fees and house rent.
Times are hard.
I
brother. But I also need to go to school.
It's okay. Don't worry, I will talk with Kennedy, okay? Let me see how much he can come up with and I'll make up the rest.
Oh, thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
See why I love you.
Is that right?
Michael.
Yes, dear.
I need some money.
For what?
There is this new Senegalese boutique that is around the corner. They have beautiful new clothes, so I need to buy some from them.
Winifred, I have a lot of expenses to make now. We can talk about this later, okay?
That is not possible. I need the money.
What are you talking about? We have Dicey's school fees to take care of, and a lot of rules too. Discussing clothes, clothes should be the least thing we'll talk about in the house now.
Michael, let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a local government worker collecting salary from federal government?
No.
Why did Rose stays at Kennedy's? Does all the house chores, comes in here to ask of school fees and money for upkeep?
Winifred, what kind of a human being are you? Those are my younger ones, and they look up to me. As a matter of fact, I'm not even supposed to share their responsibility with anybody.
If you do not give me that money, hell will let loose. Quick, quick, quick!
Okay, madam. Let me finish what I'm doing inside, then I'll come.
You're very stupid. If I wait 30 seconds, you see what I'll do to you. Come on, go and get broom and come and sweep our portion. Ah, Rose! Don't worry, my dear. Elizabeth will sweep our own portion.
Portion? How do you mean portion?
It's Sylvia. She's the one that divided the portion. She said this part is for our family. And this part is mine.
Why? When Dad and Mom were alive, they never allowed anything division between the three of us. Oh. This compound is big enough to be divided into two, but Dad never did that because he wants his family to be together in love.
Bam! As the first wife in the family, I tried to talk to her to see reasons why it's not necessary. But she insisted. So I let her be.
Let me talk to her myself. I don't want to come back one day to find this compound fenced, divided, with my two brothers staying apart.
Not saying what to her. Our advice is to do this to yourself. Because if you do, she virtually misunderstands everything. She'll be thinking you want to help her run her home.
I understand, but I don't want anything to jeopardize the love my father and mother labored for years to build.
Sylvia is my co-wife. I will sort it out. I believe I know exactly what to do and how to talk to her. Just giving her small space. Don't worry. I will sort it out myself.
I'm really counting on you to talk to her.
I know, my dear.
Thank you very much.
Just sweep the portion as she divided it. Don't worry.
Thank you. It ends here. Elizabeth, don't worry. I'll sweep the entire
No, don't worry. This is the portion here. Stop here, Elizabeth. Don't worry, Rose. Sweep this side so that it will be less for you. Don't worry. Elizabeth, you know this is where.
If
wonder who she thinks she's deceiving. Even if she deceives my brother, I definitely won't fall prey. Anyway, thank God I'm beginning to know more of her hidden characters and how to follow her. Oh, poor Kennedy. I'm sure you have not seen the reverse side of your wife, and I pray she doesn't unveil it to you someday.
I don't know if you noticed the huge sum of money that Rose is demanding from her husband.
Fat. Yes, my husband told me, but it's just for our school fees.
As if you didn't go to school. Which state university collects that kind of money for just school fees?
My dear, she summed up all her school requirements before presenting that to her brothers.
Hey, Sylvia, you and this your good heart. You stay inside ocean, soup will enter your eyes. She's milking our husbands and giving all that money to her boyfriend. No, that Rose doesn't look to me like somebody that has a one school boyfriend. All her boyfriends in school.
But how can that be possible?
Open your eyes. Have you not wondered why she does not like staying with me? It's because she knows that I know all those are evil plans and agenda.
It's okay. I'll look into it. Yes.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you. Let me quickly go inside. I want to prepare something.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to work, I'm gonna work hard and pay you back and much more, alright? Alright?
At least you have a good attitude.
Sheesh, I have to. It should always be that way.
And who will you sell that to?
To women, men, gentlemen, everyone.
You have to give me that money now.
What's money? I don't have any money.
Please stop this joke. You see that money? Give it to me now. Now!
I have told you to calm down. Exercise some patience. Let me take care of my sister's school fees and sundry. Then I can make other expenses.
Which sister? Which sister are you talking about? Is it the one that came back and could not even do anything for you? Instead, she focused on Sylvia and Kennedy. Just don't tell me that. Give me that money now.
My sister is my responsibility and no one can change that. Okay? Please, give me some peace. I don't want trouble now.
So now I am trouble. I am giving you trouble. Sylvia, can I get 5,000 naira from you?
Oh, my dear, came at the wrong time. I don't have any money now. In fact, since this Rosie school fees thing started, there is no money in this house.
Oh, God. What kind of thing is this? Anytime you mention money in this compound, all I hear is Rose school fees, Rose school fees. Me, I'm tired of hearing it too.
Do you know this morning, my husband gave me just 2,000 naira to make breakfast. But I do understand, I know.
Me, I cannot even make breakfast with 5,000 naira. Talk more. Rose.
Rose. Yes. Where are you going dressed this cute?
I'm on my way to the market. Ken gave me some money to get some cosmetics and clothes.
That's nice.
How much are we talking about here?
Just 40,000 naira. Yeah, what can I do? I can only manage.
Yes, that's very nice of him.
What can a girl do?
For your cosmetics and your
clothes. But I'll manage it now. What can a girl do?
Hey, yeah, child.
Okay, so let me run along. I'll see you guys later.
Alright. Okay, take care. Go well, Lu. Thank you. Bye, well, Lu.
She looks good.
40,000 naira.
Kenny is a nice guy.
Hey! Just for her clothes and cosmetics. You. When was the last time Kennedy gave you that amount to buy clothes and cosmetics?
My dear, I don't need that kind of money. Kennedy buys everything from me. From my clothes to cosmetics. In fact, just that I don't make up. If not, you also get them from me.
Huh? Did I hear you were Sylvia?
Yes.
Hi. No wonder. Chai. No wonder. Sylvia, since they married you into this family, I've not seen you wear any good clothes. Even your hair. You carry your hair 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. So it's Kennedy that buys your clothes. So Kennedy too takes you to the salon and pays. Takes you to all those mushroom salons around here. So that he can pay cheaply for your hair. Hi. You are supposed to be Kennedy's helpmate, not housemaid. The way Kennedy is treating you as if you are his housemaid. You see the way they married those our grandmothers, that's the way Kennedy is marrying you. You should be able to save. He should be the one giving you money so that he can use and do all these things. You're just a toy, doll baby. Kennedy will keep you in the house. Then you go and buy clothes. You know how they wear those doll babies' clothes? That's what he's doing to you. I'm telling you. Why would Kennedy be treating you like this? Oh, he wants to make you baby making machine. Ah, Sylvia. No wonder. The 5,000 that I asked you now, it's not as if I don't have it. It's just because of the sun is too much. That's why. But the way I'm seeing things now, I will stress myself and go to the bank and collect it. Wish you luck. Onye kwenki efue, okonya walelo kabalo, bombo, bombo. Who no plan well, say which follow amo.
What's wrong with the car?
It's fine, just checking the oil.
I need some money to renew our TV subscription.
Okay, I will do that, but not now, please. You have to exercise little patience. Let me sort Rose and down. Also, see what I can do.
I don't understand. It was this Rose madness in this house.
Baby, you have to understand. If Michael and I don't take care of Rose, who will?
I see. Okay. It's fine.
Let's not forget. This is 20,000 naira. Please give it to Rose when she wakes up. It's for her textbooks.
I will.
Thank you very much. Help me get the kids.
Okay.
Brother Ken, I was sleeping when you left in the morning. You forgot to drop the money for my textbooks.
I gave it to my wife to give you. Honey? I thought you gave her the money.
No, I had need for important things, so I used it.
I don't understand. You used the money meant for my textbooks for your personal needs.
Rose, don't worry. I know my wife. She's just joking.
No, it's not joke. I'm sick and tired of all this. I mean, don't I deserve good things anymore? Everywhere in this house, Rose, 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 Rose. I used it.
Are you serious?
doing here? You're supposed to be in your matrimonial bed.
I want to sleep here.
Why are you avoiding sleeping with your husband? Eh? What is wrong? You're supposed to be in bed with me. Besides, sleeping on the couch is not good for your health.
Please, please, stop this you're preaching. I need peace. Peacefully go back to your matrimonial bed and sleep with your sister. What is all this now? Allow me to sleep wherever I want to. Please.
My sister, are you listening to yourself? What has my sister got to do with you sleeping on the couch? Winnie. Winnie.
I have less than 2 weeks to go back to school, and I need all the textbooks I can lay my hands on to write my project. And now Sylvia has seized the little money that my brother raised for me to buy a few textbooks. What do I do? I don't want to bother Kennedy or Michael because my school fees is enough to drain their salary. Do I call my friend Elvis? Elvis has done too much for me already. God, please see me through.
Rose, why didn't you mop the house? Rose! Rose! I said, why didn't you mop the house?
What is wrong with you? Eh? Do I look like a maid to you?
How dare you talk to me like that in my husband's house?
My father's house, point of correction. This entire video was placed by my father, not your husband, so get it straight.
Rose! So you don't talk Akati?
Who the heck are you? No! Never you in your entire life lay a finger on me again.
You will regret this, Rose! You will regret this!
What's up, baby? I've been hungry outside, I know. Why are you crying? What? Baby, why are you crying? What happened? Talk to me, what happened? Why are you crying?
Is it not Rose? Is it not your sister that beats me up, tore my clothes and even locked me out of my house?
Rose did what? Sorry, I don't understand.
What don't you understand about it? Look at my clothes. Look at my clothes. Everything is torn. Rose just beat me up, tore my clothes, locked me outside.
Why would she?
The money I used yesterday, the money I used, nothing else, just the money.
It's okay, baby. Trust me, I will fix this, okay?
I don't want Rose in my house again. Rose will kill me. Rose will kill me.
It's okay. You're welcome. How dare you touch my wife?
Jesus Christ.
She only slapped me and I retaliated. I did not fight Sylvia. Why is she lying against me? Why is she doing this? I did not do anything to her. I did not do anything to her.
It's okay. Just go and apologize.
She said she did not fight her. Why you not here to her? Eh? Did you not hear her?
Are you still there?
You know we are a family that stands for peace. I cannot allow you to stay here simply because you had misunderstanding with Ken and the wife. So you go back to Ken and the wife and apologize to them. After which, if you still want to stay here, I will happily oblige.
I will not apologize to that Jezebel. Not when I'm innocent, brother. Not when I'm innocent.
If you don't do the right thing, I will not allow you to stay here.
Don't worry. I'll talk to my husband.
Now go to Ken and apologize to him and the wife. Did you see her?
They said she left the hostel.
What in God's name is this?
I can't help but wonder, how could Rose switch off her phone and abandon her family just like that?
This is serious. But you should have gone to her department to check on her.
I did. And the only information I got from her best friend was that she was hospitalized for 2 weeks before she left.
And Rose didn't deem it fit to communicate us? God. Did her friend tell you what the problem was?
Yeah, she said she suffered from blood pressure and emotional trauma.
Ken, I think we made a mistake. You see, what if Rose is innocent and nobody believed her?
Mike, honestly speaking, I'm confused. I don't even know what to think.
Excuse me. Please, I'm looking for Umenwa's compound.
Umenwa?
Yes.
Umenwa's family is very big, so you have to tell me the particular person you're looking for.
Okay, his name is Ignatius. He's based abroad, but his mother is in this village.
Oh, Igine?
Yes.
Igine Nane.
Yes.
Yeah. The one that stayed in Italy.
Oh, thank God, you know them. I've walked and walked and walked. I was becoming so exhausted. So, where?
Ewo, Nne, Igine died in Italy. And his mother is also dead. Okay. Hey! Hello! What are you saying? Hey! Hey! Somebody else here! What are you saying?
That was how I left my family house.
Wouldn't they be looking for you?
Don't you think so?
I know they'll be searching for me. But I'm not doing this because I want to. I just don't want to cause problems between my brothers and their wives.
So how come you know Ignatius' mother, since you're not from this village?
Ignatius and I used to be very close friends. I used to follow him to this village to see his mother. But about a year ago, his numbers stopped connecting and he stopped calling me.
About the same time, he died on his way to Italy. And his mother died 2 months ago.
Please, Ebere, I'm begging you and your brother to allow me stay in this village with you. I don't have anywhere else to go and I don't want to go home. I don't want to go home. Please.
It's okay. But I don't know if you can afford the kind of life you live. I don't know if you can manage.
I don't have a choice. A few months after I left my family house, I took ill. And I sold all my properties in school to take care of myself. I sold everything I had. I just need a place to stay. And I can't afford to go home. That's why I'm just begging you people to please just allow me to just stay here.
Don't worry. My brother and I do not have problems. It's just that our parents died some years ago and things have been difficult. But since you said you can manage, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome to our home.
Thank you.
Baby, how are you? Please, can I have your attention for a while?
Okay.
Thanks. I want to ask you a simple question and I would really appreciate it if you tell me the truth.
Okay.
What happened between you and Rose?
What do you mean, what happened between me and Rose? Didn't I tell you what happened? Were you not aware of everything?
Baby, calm down. Rose is nowhere to be found. She's not reaching. That simply means something is definitely wrong somewhere.
Rose is nowhere to be found. I see. No wonder that girl has been collecting huge amount of money from you and your brother. Yes! She must have eloped with her boyfriend. If not, why would they find her yesterday and be in school?
Will you shut up? How dare you talk about my sister before me like that? Are you crazy or something?
You're the one who is crazy here. Yes! And please, don't ask me such questions next time. Your sister, everywhere, Rose. If I carry anything in this house, Rose, Rose, Rose! We are going to die for Rose. Rose everywhere, Rose!
Winifred. Winifred! Who took the money from my wallet?
I'm not talking to you. Wilfred, am I not talking to you? Who took the money from my wallet?
Hey! Is it because of 10,000 naira I want to shout at the house? Eh? You want to bark like a dog because of... Reduce your voice, huh?
Are you out of your mind? Are you stupid? How dare you refer to me as a dog? Eh? Are you stupid?
You're back. Hey. Hey. Did you buy everything?
Yes, I bought them. All these habits and nails.
No, they are not. My husband gave me money to buy all of them. And I did.
Why are you sweating and panting like? What's it?
Don't mind me. I was in the middle of my exercise before you entered.
This hot afternoon. Exercise.
Don't mind me. I was feeling my body was a bit heavy this afternoon. So I said let me burn the fat. That's why. Hey, welcome back change.
Alright, these are the things.
Thank you. I would recommend you do this exercise in the afternoon, especially when the weather is very hot. It burns the fat faster.
Thank you very much. I'll try it.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Try, eh?
I will.
Bye bye. My God. Michael.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to cook and there's no gas.
Oh, gas. Please, just give me 20 minutes. I need to finish this seminar. I have to spend my boss as soon as possible. Please, just give me 20 minutes.
I don't get you. What are you implying? I should wait for you to finish God knows the nonsense you're doing.
I'm trying to prepare a seminar for my boss. Please, don't start with your nagging now. Please, I need to concentrate. Oh, please. Thank you.
Okay. So now I'm nagging. But I told you I need gas to cook. Save your breath, I will stop nagging. It's even said that action speaks louder than words.
Jesus. What's the problem? What's the problem?
Gideon, make it!
What's the problem?
Oyi na-atụ m, isi na-awa m, arụ adịrọzi m ka ọ dị mbụ. Ife a na-eme na-ewute m, amarọzi m ife m ga-eme. Anya tala akwụkwọ bụ otu eze anyị si acha. Biko zanụ m agbakụta na mazụ. Without you, I am losing it all. Without you, I am losing my mind. Without you, I am losing it all. Where are you? Where are you? Without you, I am losing it all. Without you, I am losing my mind. Without you, I am losing it all. Where are you? Where are you? Oyi na tumo, isi na wamo. Aradi rozimu kodimbo. Ifa neme ne utemo. Amara zimi fengeme. Anyatala kukobo tweza anyi siachae. Biko zanumo abakutana mazue. Without you I am losing it all. Without you I am losing my mind. Without you I am losing it all. Where are you? Where are you? Without you I am losing it all. Without you I am losing my mind. Without you I am losing it all.
God paved way for Moses and the Israelites. All things are possible.
See the face?
Michael! Give me Daisy's school fees.
Sickness.
Hold on. Just go to your room, okay? We'll continue this later. I want to discuss with your mom, alright? I don't understand. Did you keep any money here? Because I can't find any money.
Stop that joke. See, if you do not give me that school fees today, when she resumes school next week, you'll be the ones to go to her school and pay it. I will not collect it again.
Winifred, can I ask you a question? When will you learn manners? Look at the way you were shouting in front of our little daughter. Is this the best way to request for money from your husband? Why don't you do it in a better form? Ask for the money than being rude.
Leave all this your teachings that you torment me with and your questions. What matters is you giving me the school fees.
Beautiful. Well, I don't have it now. I'll give it to you next week.
Oh, I knew it. Michael, you are good for nothing. You keep claiming that you go to work every morning, you carry your briefcase, you're going to work. Meanwhile, you come back, you don't even have anything. I am just disappointed in you.
Is that all you can say? Have you finished?
Give me the money.
I told you next week. You don't want to go? Probably you want to sit down and relax. Daisy didn't finish her cook. You will continue when she stops. I have something very important I'm teaching my daughter about Moses and the Red Sea. You can relax and rest. Daisy!
Wilfred, do you know I've not sold anything from those shops since morning? What's fun?
Hey! Sylvia, you will not cease to amuse me. Sell what? In this almost empty shop? Hey! Sylvia, why don't you just collect money from your husband? Buy some real goods and fill up this empty shop.
See, my husband said I should manage here for the time being, that he has better plans for me.
That is what every man will say. Because no man wants his wife to be richer than him. Yes. Remember the last time that Rose came? That your husband said he didn't have any money.
You're right.
But that did not stop him from spending on her.
You're right. I'll talk to my husband about this. Yes. Anyway, that's by the way. I am saving up money to buy very fine racing chairs. To look sexy for my husband now, because all these small girls snatching away from me.
Don't let that bother you. Allow your husband to bother for such thing. Let me use my husband as an example for you. Just 2 nights ago, he was surfing online and he saw these beautiful waist clenchers. He just called me, honey, and I came. And he said, pick anyone you want. He didn't say one, no. Just pick anyone you want. And I picked 3. He just paid online. Yes.
Just like that.
Let me tell you, you should better stop taking care of yourself. Because the more you do, your husband will not seem that he's responsible for you. I'm telling you.
Wilfred, you're not just my co-wife or a friend, but you're more than a sister to me. Thanks for this inspiring piece of advice.
You're welcome. Any day, my dear.
Give
me water.
Who no plan well, say which you follow amo. As you make your bed, now so you lie on top am. If you so kata kata, you go rip jaga jaga.
Winifred, serve dinner, I'm hungry.
There is no dinner. You did not keep any money for dinner.
I don't understand. I gave you 60,000 naira to buy foodstuffs. What are you talking about?
Oh! You did, I almost forgot. There's this waist cincher. Waist cinchers I saw online. So I ordered them. Luckily for me, they delivered them today. I just used the money and paid to look good for you.
Sorry, what is waist cincher?
Forgot that you're a bushman. Waist cincher, this thing that ladies wear to have a natural figure 8. To use and press their stomach inside. You can call it a body shaper.
Excuse me, are you out of your senses? You used a whole 60,000 naira to buy waist cincher?
Michael, you're getting it all wrong. I did not say waist cincher. I said waist cinchers. 3, not 1. I bought 3.
And that's why it's not prepared food.
See, there's no need for you to be distressing yourself. I already told Sylvia that you bought me waist cincher. I had to buy it so that I will cover your mess and also look good for you.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! Are you stupid? Are you stupid? You spent a whole 60,000 naira on waist cincher, whatever you call it, and you have the guts to look me in the face and say you want to look fine for me.
Waist cincher!
Shut up!
Okay. I need a waist cincher so that I don't get out of shape.
The reason I like, I already bought you one from my colleague in the office. I will bring it home tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do I tell him about boosting my business now? Or do I leave him to his own opinion? No. Wilfred was right. I need to make my own money. I'll talk to him about it later.
My dear, I saw my husband complaining to you.
He told me how bad you've been.
He's very stupid to have said that. If you live with us just for 1 hour, you understand what I pass through every day in the hands of that man. But what did you tell me?
Don't you trust me?
I trust you, Jerry.
I quickly put him in his place. In fact, I told him that you should learn from his elder brother Michael and see how Michael tolerates me.
I wish you would listen to me. Wilfred, I admire your marriage with your husband so much.
It's God though. In fact, my husband is a gift from God. My husband tolerates me. He doesn't misunderstand me one bit. In fact, if my mood changes, he'll start apologizing.
You can't imagine. Just in a good. In fact, I don't know. I am tired of Kennedy. Ike, this marriage, I go go. I am just tired.
Your mommy.
I don't know how my brothers are doing. I miss and love my family so much, but it hurts to know that they turned their backs on me for something I am innocent of. Our family is torn apart. I know my parents will be disappointed anywhere they are, but I still don't get how my brothers that loved me with the last blood that flows in them could watch me walk away.
What is it? You're crying.
I love my family so much. I love my brothers with everything I have, with the last drop of my blood. I just don't understand why they would do this to me. Why they will accuse me of something I am innocent of. I love them so much.
It's okay, it's okay. Stop crying. Okay? It's okay. Stop crying.
I love my family. I love my brothers.
I know you
love their
them so
wives.
much.
I love everybody.
Please stop crying. Stop crying. Okay?
I love them.
Of a husband.
What?
Look at the way you were taking unmerited credit from me, as if you are the one that bought this my beautiful jumpsuit.
Oh, you shut up. Did I ask you to praise me? Did I beg for any praise? Besides, what do? Do you work? It's not my money that you keep stealing that you used to buy the clothes.
Who stole? Who are you calling a thief? You. Look at this one. I don't even know what I'm doing with you.
You keep wondering until I send you packing.
Who will you send packing? Look at this unmerited he-goats. Useless man.
What did you say? Come down.
What is it?
I said get down!
Michael, are you high on cheap drugs?
You will know if I am high on drugs or not by the time I pounce on you.
Stop disgracing yourself. Stop disgracing yourself. What's wrong with you? Wait. What is wrong with you? Michael, what is wrong with you?
I embarrassed myself.
Can you imagine? Look at how you wear people are just looking at you and you're happy. Look at this. You can open this door. Open! Michael! Look at this man, no?
Nonsense. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Marry a wife that keeps embarrassing you, keeps insulting you. What kind of marriage is this?
This man is wicked, though. Michael, Hey! This Michael doesn't have conscience at all. Look at him, he just abandoned his own wife on the road. Hey, this man has disgraced me. He has disgraced me. What am I supposed to do now?
As you make your bed, so you lie on top.
I don't even think I came out with any money.
If you sow kata,
I don't even have any money.
reap
How do I go home now?
If you sow tomato, you go chop tomato.
When I get home, I collect money from Sylvia. What if she's not at home? What am I supposed to do? And then the taxi man will now disgrace me. People may be thinking I'm running mad. I don't blame this Michael. This man doesn't have conscience. Michael, you're wicked.
As you make your bed, so you lie on top. If you sow kata.